Yun ang tanggalin na. Tapos yung sa LAC copy. Okay? Tapos, sabi niyo, attorney, yung excess picture, hindi po natin siya pinabigay. NBI, may tuki ka pa. Okay? And then, yung original medical result, nakidala rin po niyo ito. Lahat. So, yung envelope na binigay ninyo, babalik ko rin sa inyo. But of course, you'll be signing yung 415. Print yung name and then signature about your name and then date.
And then, again, yung employment ninyo, yung transcript of records, college diploma, authenticated, and UAE embassy. Kung wala, or authenticate pa lang kayo, you should print your copy. Okay? Authenticated. Kung hindi pa kasama ka ng employment na yun. Okay? And then yung ambiguous na authentication. So yun, so yung certificate of employment ninyo, very important. Original copy. Okay, original yeah, training certificate. Ang pinaka-importante.
But please make sure meron kayong photocopy. Kasi contact may photocopy. Okay? Sorry, Mr. Ay, Mr. Patao ko? Paul.
Oy, pare. Oy, yung alphabet.
Alphabet.
Sabi pa to yun. Hindi na ako mamaya. Hindi.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. David.
Well,
Mr. Miranda. Mr. Rodenia. Mr. Cornato.
I-play ba ko na ito? Sir, Ari? Sir, upload ko sir sa YouTube. Pipirma ako, stop muna, pirma tayo.